One, two, three, go. Welcome back to my channel, Math and Language, and we're going to discuss how to multiply rational expressions. So, in multiplying rational expressions, you cannot directly multiply it like this, like 2x plus 6, and you will multiply to the quantity x plus 2. You have to factor those terms first, like the numerator and denominator, so make it simpler. So, let's factor those terms. So, 2x plus 6, that will be x plus 3. 2 times the quantity x plus 3. And for 5 over x plus 10, that will be 5 times x plus 2. Now, for the next one, x plus 2 is already the lowest term. X squared plus 4x plus 3. So remember your trinomial factoring. So in multiplying rational expressions, you really need to master factoring. That will be 3 and x plus. Okay, let's see what can we cancel in these terms. This one x plus 2, and there you have it. So you're left with, let's change it. You're left with 2 times 1. Always remember, if everything's canceled in, for example, in the numerator denominator, there will always be 1 there. If it's multiplication, okay? To cancel everything. So 2 times 1, that will be 2 over 5 times the quantity x plus 1. So this is already the final answer. But it depends on your teacher. Sometimes they will require you to multiply this one, the denominator. So it can be like this, 5x plus 5. So it's okay. Again, it depends on your teacher or instructor. Now, how are we going to solve this one? As usual, we're going to factor all of them. So let's start with 5x minus 15. 5x minus, and the denominator, that will be 4 times x squared, multiply by x cubed, and that will be 6 times x minus. Okay, so we can cancel this one. And x cubed and x squared. We can cancel diagonally or up and down. So x cubed and x squared, that's diagonally. Since x cubed is higher, so 3 minus 2 is 1, this will be x only. Remember, and x to the first, it's just simply it's just x, okay? So let's just delete this one. You can answer it now. The final answer will be 5x over 4 times 6 is 24. This is already the final answer. All right, let's have the final example. So we have a trinomial here whereas a is greater than 1. If you could do monomial factoring by reducing it, please do it. So you can see that the GCF of these three terms, like 2, 10, and 48 are 2, you can reduce it. So that will be times x squared plus 5x minus 24, right? And next one, we have, just copy this one first. And the x squared plus 5x minus 6. And for the denominator here, we can see that 2, 14, and 16, the GCF is 2. So we could reduce it, x squared plus 7x minus 8. Yeah, as you can see here, we can already cancel the 2. So we're just left with x squared, this one. And we're going to factor those terms. So there's no more 2 here. And it's simpler. Okay? No more. The trinomial is not a is greater than 1. Okay. So let's factor this one. X squared plus 5x minus 24. That will be x plus 8. Yes. and minus 3. 8 times negative 3, that will be negative 24. 8 minus 3 is positive 5. Got it. Next one, x plus 6, yes, and x minus 3. 6 times negative 3 is 18. 6 minus 3 is 3. Multiply it to, that will be positive 6 and negative 1. 6 times negative 1 is negative 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. And x, that will be positive 8 and x minus 1. Right. Now we're going to cancel those terms. So we have x plus 8 and diagonally. Yes. Remember, it will only apply with multiplication. The simplifying it diagonally. If there's a plus here or minus, you cannot do it. Careful. So because all of them are multiplication, we can cancel it. So x plus 6, x minus 3, up and down. You can do it up and down also. So we're left with just 1, 1, 1, 1. And 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 1 is also 1. 1 over 1 is 1 divided by 1 is 1. So we can see that even if the question is really overwhelming, the answer is just 1 here. And that's the end of the lesson on how to multiply rational expressions. If you have questions or need of clarification, suggestions, please comment down. My name is James, and I'm your math and language instructor. I will appreciate if you please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. I'll see you again in the next video. Bye.